What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Ford Takeover 2022. This is the Dyno shootout. We're gonna get right into the action. Let's go. Yo, I'm telling you, there's more hardware on this property. Y'all don't even know. We've got all the cars lined up here. And when you see this much hardware in one place, you already know it's gonna be a really good day. So we got a little mix of everything. We got pushrod, we got coyote, we got carbureted. I mean, it's gonna be nuts. We got Fox bodies, S550s, SN95s. This is what's up. Hey, do we got a tune revision?
Yes.
We got it?
Yeah.
Good. We're about to fire that dyno up.
All right.
And we've got last year's winner right here. This is the car that popped the intake. And we got this gentleman right here. He's hoping to take home the win. We'll see. I don't
think I've got enough for him.
It's gonna be crazy. That's all I can say.
Have fun, no matter.
Yeah, for sure.
So I can do better than 200.
And then, man, look at this.
We gotta do.
I had to pay him $1,000 just to show up. Like, he was like, man, I don't show up for less than $1,000. So here he is.
Let me turn my camera on. Let me turn my camera on.
Blue Oval Media Dials.
This is
What's
the
up,
legendary Foxcast, baby. I love it, man. I love it.
Hey guys, it's gonna be a good day. We're about to fire the dyno up and get into it. All right, it's about to go live right here, right now. The man himself, Brian Prince, 86 Fox body, Whipple, Coyote. About to make some noise. There it is, guys. 803-609. Alright, boys. Contestant number 2 from Georgia. Hellion twin turbo S197 Coyote. We should see over 1,000 on this one. We're bringing all the bangers out early, Alan.
You're gonna get all the big ones through before the show starts.
Yep.
Alright guys.
Smoking the tires on the dyno.
Turbo.
968 900, smoking the tires on the dyno. All right, 1990 GT 408 stroker. Dylan Garcia, full bolt-on Gen 3 Yodi. Let's see what she's got. Holy smokes! I missed the pole. We really did that right now?
Yeah.
549, 426. Damn! Yes.
Last time it was 520 on a brand new engine. We had just got broke in by 200
Oh
miles.
my God.
Now,
58's great.
I'll be hollering at you.
I told you.
NA, yes. NA Gen 3.
You better find your covers yet.
Yeah, I know. All right, coming in hot. Another Gen 3 NA. This thing's gonna be nasty. You're definitely gonna need earplugs for this one. buddy, Morris Jones. BMP Odin Blown 2019. Ford Tech Blown HPR built GT. The reigning champion, Mr. Intake Blower himself. Are we a little saucier this year or no?
Maybe a little bit.
Maybe a little bit, okay. Look, he just wanted to make sure he secured the win is what it was. Contested 95 Cobra 347. We said that at the same time. Not bad. He could probably run it up a little more. Alright, we're about to do turbo push rod power and then coyote or Terminator swap Whipple after this. So who's the king? That's gonna be a tough one. 1 That's a little better. Here we go. 737, 639.
Did you see the look on his face when he's like, cool?
That's a little better. Did you slay the push rod? I don't know, did he?
No, what's wrong with
We gotta give the.
No, but we got other pulleys.
We do got another pulleys.
That is true. He's got more clicks too, though.
That was right.
Look, he just turned that dial, baby. That's it. But if we could have a big round of applause for the Horsepower Factory staff. I don't know where he went. He's doing something. Horsepower Factory staff right there. Thank you guys. They always do an amazing job, and we got the parking done this year, so huge shout out to them. Then we've got sponsors in the house. We get Vengeance Clutch up here. Come on, man. Hey, this is how it goes. How she goes. Look, I'm up here with a rose gold microphone.
Big.
Rose microphone. Yeah, that's cash money, baby. We need Handling Motorsports. Event sponsor.
Say that car was doing well.
And so, obviously, Handling Motorsports, Vengeance Clutch here, long way away, major sponsors of the event. Cannot do it without these guys. Transmission and clutch needs. These are who you got. This is who you got. Talk to.
We got the builder, one of our builders that does clutches all the way from England.
England, okay.
We've been doing clutches for about 20
What do
years.
you think about all these crazy Americans? It's a huge shout out to them. Obviously, Stiflers, Detroit Speed, LMR. It's just one of those things where they don't have enough staff to send a crew out. I mean, it's a sign of the times. What are you going to do? So huge shout out to them. And also, Nick Strong, Mustangs of the Mid-South. He's not in here. He led the cruise this morning. I heard the cruise was great. Unfortunately, I never get to see it, but maybe one of these days. Ken Hillard, HPR. And of course, and Chris. We'll let Chris get a little love too. Come on, Chris. Look at him, Chris, a little love.
Put the parts on.
And then Brutal Vlogs. Is he in here? He's not in here either. He left.
Then you gotta take it down.
He's fired. Anyway, they help me put this on, and cannot do it without them. And there's Alan. One more round of applause for Horsepower Factory.
All right. A big thank you to everyone that came out today.
Yeah, absolutely. Give yourself a big hand today.
Sweet big hand.
Yeah, that was long.
You already said the standing ovation. You're already standing.
All right, without further ado, we're going to start out in the the power adder, and the defending champ is the champion again. Yaz Adams, where you at? Come on. So, just to refresh your memory, guys, he did 1,085 horsepower, 848 torque. And you're actually, that's a little less than last year.
Wow. It's been together about 3 days.
Oh man. Fulton, so he went hard to be here, so he is top dog #1 today.
Absolutely.
So this year, obviously, LMR couldn't be here, but I can't show you these. I gotta cover that. So you got an option this year: either $250 cash or a brand new set of your choice of wheels from LMR.
Okay.
Whichever you want.
We'll go with the wheels.
I don't blame you a bit. Keep that number covered up. Okay. Congratulations, Yaz Adams! All right, so the winner in naturally aspirating by 2 horsepower. Wow. 2 freaking horsepower. 547 versus 549 NA. Dylan Garcia. I think HBR built that car, didn't it?
Wainer Performance tuned it.
Mustang boys.
Look at that. All right. 549 horsepower NA. I mean, bro, NA, that's pretty crazy. I mean, we had some badass rides, but congratulations. And you also get your choice. Free set of wheels from LMR or $250 cash.
I'll take it.
I don't blame you a bit. Congratulations! Woo! All right. Since, as you can see, I got a little money in my hand, we're gonna go ahead and do, actually, Will Lane. Come on up.
Right here, bro.
So your award is,
I got a word for somebody who's
the lowest horsepower.
Lowest horsepower.
Hold on.
Lowest horsepower.
Yeah. Right there. Robert Stevens. Yep.
Robert Stevens. Come back, where you at? Right here.
He had a tough go of it too. He had a trailer mishap. He's had a rough go of it. So guess what?
Oh, no, that's bad. Well, from Silver Sport Transitions, there's $100
Thanks so much.
for all your efforts.
All right, so we're gonna go we did it last year. We're doing it again. So second place, power adder. Yeah, Todd Eldridge. There he is.
There he is.
Congratulations. 968, 900. All cash, baby. Hey, we knew it would make more. You were smoking tires on Dyno. What are you gonna do?
That was the fun part.
Congratulations, buddy. Thanks for coming.
Appreciate it.
And then second place. Make sure I got it right. Nickel White. By 2 horsepower.
He left. He asked me and asked me, we get it.
Sure, a likely story.
Yeah,
so I'll just
so
give
you
him.
gotta-
I appreciate your time. Yeah, so we'll give that to him. He did 547 408, 2 horsepower. So, how about, thank you guys, all the sponsors. You guys are.
Thank you for having us and put it on.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Looking forward to
this is
tomorrow,
great.
guys.
Tomorrow should be awesome. I
Yeah.
ain't shaking, blow it up. That's what's up.
All right, guys. So tonight is the meet and greet. We're shutting the street down at Parkstone Grill. Y'all aren't ready for this. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you. If you need a nap, I'd get one now.